Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you all? Here is a part 2 of chapter number 4, using Excel as database. In the last video, you learn about what is a field, what is field name, and what is a record for database. Okay, so here we are going to start how to use form to enter data. Means that in Excel we are not going to directly enter our record in Excel, but we are using form for entering data. Okay everyone, so at the time after creating form to enter data, and then afterward we will learn how to add new records and how to search any record. So in this portion we are going to learn these two topics in Excel. Okay, so we know that here is a practical chapter, and practically I am explaining you, so where you have to concentrate on my screen, on my pointer, and whatever I am speaking, that thing you have to concentrate. Okay, so let's start. Here is a first of all we have to open Microsoft Excel. In Microsoft Excel you can two-way open Microsoft Excel. First thing is by clicking on start button and search your Excel. Second way, if you not get it, then you already pin your favorite program on a taskbar. So from directly take your mouse pointer on a taskbar and open your Excel sheet. If it is already open, it will directly open on your screen. Now we all know that first of all, before doing any work in Excel, we have to select entire worksheet by clicking on this portion. And what we have to do after selecting it, you have to change font style, font size, and font color before doing any work, because whatever you change in the particular selected cell, it is changed for that cell only. Whenever you go to next cell, it will becomes unselected. Clear everyone? So before doing any work in Excel, you have to select entire worksheet, and then afterward you have to change font style, font size, and font color for entire worksheet. So no need to do it again and again. It's save your time also. So now form is what? You know very well that whatever you want to fill anything, then you have to fill up your form. What is there in form? There is a field name, means one side on the left hand side the field name is written like your name, then giving you a box, there you enter your name. Then the second, your middle name, then give you a box, there you enter your name. Okay, then after your surname, field name is giving to your surname, and then afterward text box is there you enter your surname. Okay, so this is called a form. Okay, that type we have to create a form and enter our record, but for that we have a field name. Field name means first name, last name, class, section, everything. Okay, here we are going to create student list. So here what we have to write down as a field name? Roll number. Press tab key, make a box big. This is all field names. Name, press tab key, make a box big. Suppose for subject marks math, science, and suppose we are writing here total. Okay, now press enter first of all. Okay, now no need to write down like this 1 2 3, no need to start entering your records. We have to use a form to entering records. So click here, and in a home tab there is a last option form. Okay, so click on a form. It will ask you that you can determine your list and selection contain column labels. So click on OK. Whenever you click on OK, one form window open on your screen. It gives you that field names only which you write down in Excel. Okay, but here you have to enter in a box, that will enter in a sheet. Clear everyone? Suppose that we are writing here 1. No need to press enter key, otherwise it take a new record. Okay, just press tab key. Which key? Tab key. Then suppose name A. We know that we always take A, B, C, D as a name. Marks out of 100, suppose that 76, press tab key, 65, and keep your total cell empty, because at last we will do the total with the help of formula. Okay, so for new record, what we have to do? You have to click on new button. Here is the right hand side, new button is there. Click on it. Whenever you click on new button, whatever you write down in form will display it on your Excel screen. Clear everyone? So this is we have this way we have to use form. Now roll number 2. So new record comes here, roll number 2. What we not have to press? Enter key. So press tab key, then B, then match marks 62 and 60. Keep the total cell empty and click on new. Whenever you click on new, it will come here. Clear everyone? Next is suppose roll number 3, name is C, math marks is suppose 70, science marks is suppose 72, and keep total cell empty. Okay everyone? Here we are keeping only writing 3 records, and then afterward close it. No, first of all, after completing your last record, you have to click new, and then only you have to click on close button. Okay, so whenever you click on close button, all the records come here. Now click on total and do write down formula. We are always start with is equal to sign. Cell address of math marks is C2 plus D2. Press enter key. Whatever the total is there comes in your cell. Now no need to write down in all cell, just drag it. You already learned how to drag it. It gives you all answers. Clear everyone? Now this way we have to use form. Now second use of form is for searching any record. Okay, so for that click on criteria. Whenever you click on criteria, whatever the record you want to search, write down that roll number and press enter key. That all things according to roll number 1 comes in your cell. If the record is not exist, then it will not give you any kind of record. Suppose that we not written any roll number here, 4 roll number. So write down 4 roll number we not write. Okay, so click on enter. It will directly give you first record only, because fourth record is not there. Clear everyone? So this way you can search any record. If there is hundreds of records at the time, the search option means from criteria you can search any record. Clear? Okay, now next topic. In a form, suppose that this is a first record. Whenever you click on find next, it will give you second record. Then click on find next, it will give you third record. Then you click on find next. If there is nothing, then it will stop. You want to go previous, then go to previous. Find previous, find previous. Okay. From this, any record you want to delete, then suppose this roll number 2 record I want to delete. So click on delete button. It will ask you that you want to delete your record permanently. If you click on OK, it will delete your record. Look at this. Roll number 2 is deleted from here. So these all options of form, from the form you can use for searching your records, for deleting your records, for searching next record, for finding previous record, everything. And you can create your record new list also here. Okay, so let's close it. Again I am showing you how to use form. So click here. First of all, write down field names. This all calls field name. Roll number, name, math, science and total. This must you have to write, because if you not write down field name, how can form give you what you have to write down in text box? Okay, so for that we first of all have to write down roll number, name means field names, and then afterward go to home tab, and there is a last option form. It will ask you something, so click on OK. It gives you then afterward form dialog box, and with a field names whatever you write down in a Excel. According to the field name, you have to complete your record. Rule number 1, no need to press enter key. Tab key, name, tab key, marks, then keep total cell empty and click on new. Okay. Now next, rule number 2, name and marks. Click on new. Rule number 3, name, marks, and click on new. If you want to complete here, first new complete and then click on close. Here suppose we not write down the name of the first roll number. Okay, so now complete your total by using formula is equal to C2 plus D2. Press enter, click on it and drag it down. Okay everyone, then afterward go to form and you can search any record by clicking on criteria. Suppose I want to search roll number 2 record, so click roll number, write down roll number 2 and press enter key. It will give you its names, its marks and total also. If there is no records in your Excel sheet, it will give you directly first record. Suppose there is no roll number 4, so whenever I want to search roll number 4 and press enter key, it will not find by Excel sheet, then it give you the first record. Clear everyone? Now anything you want to delete, so click on delete button, it will permanently delete from your sheet. Okay, you want to search next, so you can search next, you can search previous also. Clear everyone? This way we have to use form for filling our records, not by directly filling in Excel sheet but using form. But for that you have to compulsory write down field name for that. Do it by yourself as practically in your laptop, in your tablet, in your phone. Anyway you can open Excel and do this practical, but do it one time. Okay everyone, till then in the next video we will learn new things about this chapter. Till then, be happy, stay happy.